Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to embed a Base44 web app into your Shopify store. First, open any AI chat agent like ChatGPT. Ask it to give you the custom liquid code for embedding your Base44 app into Shopify. Make sure you request the full code with all the necessary elements. Once the AI generates the code, copy it to your clipboard. Next, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Themes. You will see your current theme listed. Click on Edit Theme next to the theme you are using. This will open the theme editor. In the theme editor, decide where you want to place your Base44 app. For example, you can embed it in the header section. Click on Add Section in that area. From the options, select Custom Liquid. This will open a small editor window on the right side of your screen. Now, paste the custom liquid code you copied from the AI agent into this window. At this point, you need your Base44 app URL. Go to your Base44 app and make sure it is published. Click on Publish, then copy the URL provided. Return to Shopify and paste this URL into the code you just added, replacing the part that says SRC. Double-check that everything is correct. Once you save the changes, your Base44 app will be embedded into your Shopify store. You can now preview your store to see the app in action. Thanks for watching.